Welcome back to the Tech Shack to another low quality video. Today we have an Intel Arc B570 graphics card. We are going to drop into a Bazzite build, the one that I featured on the channel recently. And the thing with this card is that a lot of them, including the newest ones from the factory, still ship with the pre-release BIOS. With Windows, that's not a problem because the latest driver automatically flashes the latest BIOS onto the card. So you're good to go. In Linux, not so much. Now there are some other ways you can flash the BIOS in Linux. Lots of different tutorials, walkthroughs, but they all require lots of time in the terminal, and we don't have any time for that. So we are going to take the shortcut method since I have the hardware on hand. And we are going to drop it into this test bench. Windows 11 test bench for graphics cards. There's a 650 watt gold power supply. So we're going to drop this guy in here, install the latest driver, which should flash the latest BIOS on it, and then we should just drop it into this Bazite build and be good to go. But we'll see. Alright, so the driver is installed, the BIOS is updated. So now I should be able to just drop this card in the Bazite machine and hopefully, maybe, we're good to go. So everything went very smoothly. Even being an existing Bazzite install that previously had a Radeon card, everything just worked. A couple of games did require a settings reset to work properly, but every game he had installed was able to run without a system reinstall. Intel Arc is definitely a close second with out-of-the-box Linux compatibility, falling just barely behind Radeon. And if it wasn't for the card's firmware flashing issues, it would be a tie. But that's it for this low quality video. I will see you guys in the next one.